Welcome to our channel. Setting up auto-lock timeout on your Android device is crucial for security, but it needs to be configured thoughtfully to balance convenience and protection. Follow these steps to set it up safely. Step 1. Open your Android device's Settings app by tapping the gear icon in your app drawer or notification panel. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Security or Lock Screen depending on your Android version and device manufacturer. Step 3. Select Screen Timeout or Auto Lock to view the available timeout duration options. Step 4. Choose a timeout duration that balances security with convenience, such as 30 seconds to 2 minutes for optimal protection. Step 5. Consider using smart lock features to keep your device unlocked in trusted locations or when connected to trusted devices. Step 6. Enable Lock Instantly with Power Button to allow immediate locking when you press the power button, regardless of timeout settings. Step 7. Set a secure lock screen method such as PIN, pattern, or fingerprint to ensure your device is protected when it auto-locks. Step 8. Test your auto-lock settings by letting your device sit idle and verifying it locks after the chosen timeout period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.